welcome to Holistic Living with Susie. And today we're doing something different. Today we're going to do a craft. And before I actually get started, I want you guys to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I have my most magnificent helper, Aliyah. So, first, I just want to say we are just so excited that to be in a different space this year, and we have a Christmas tree this year, and we're going to do some crafts. So we're going to do our own ornaments, and I drive the school bus, and we have like this gift exchange going on, and we're doing like 12 days before the gift exchange, and every day you leave your Secret Santa a gift on their bus. And today, this morning, when I got on my bus to drive my morning shift, we got make your own ornaments, which is exciting because we want to make our own. We want to do a lot of crafty things in our new apartment, and making our own ornaments was one of them. So we're excited about this little adventure today. So this is what the Santa Claus looks like completed.
This is hers.
This is mine. Aliyah is finishing up hers. And then we have two more that we're going to start from scratch. So we're going to move this one to the side that Aliyah started so we can, and then she can finish that one later. But we're going to do these on. Oh, you want to do that one on the video? Okay.
I still want to finish this one.
So Aliyah's going to go ahead and finish hers.
Which is probably going to be quick.
Excuse me. Aliyah's going to finish hers.
She's been sick.
And I am going to go ahead and start. So it comes with a little instruction paper. And the instructions have the beard.
The face.
It has the face. And all these are stickers, so you just take off the backs. It has the gloves.
Some of them are glittery.
They are. This one is glittery. I don't know if you can see that. This is like white glitter, but it has the hat lip,
Cuff?
the hat cuff, the ball for the hat, the glove cuffs, and
Mustache.
the boot cuff, and the suit trim. No,
And the mustache.
And the mustache. You're right. Absolutely. And then the black glittery piece has the belt, the eyes, and the boots. And then the red glittery piece has
The nose and the mouth.
the nose and the mouth. And then the gold glittery piece is the belt.
Belt buckle.
Belt buckle. And then these are the ornament hangers. I didn't put that on mine, so we'll put those
You
on.
probably have to pop out the holes.
Yeah. All right, so
The belt is on the black one again.
let's get started. So I had to do my first one over because I placed the face close down to his belly.
The beard. The beard
Oh, yeah, the
directly,
beard.
like over his. The beard was actually over his belly.
Right. It was
almost down to
so
the
low.
feet.
Okay.
It might be
Oh,
too high. So
that's not what I did first. I did not do the beard first. I
We
did.
did the beard. I did the beard first.
Remember the hat lid? Yep. You do the hat cuff first. And it's very easy to do this.
I need a black one.
This was such a simple this is such a simple craft. So you just line it up at that first cuff or crease right there, and then put the hat cuff there.
Also, since there was a picture on this, I could use that as a copy.
And then for the beard, as you can see, there's these little humps here, and it lines up perfectly with those. So you just put the beard there. And then the hat puff,
Puffy puff.
you can put that there. Next is the face, and you want the face to go upside down or
technically right side up, but upside down.
Right side up,
Because
yeah.
if it's right side or upside down, I'm going to say upside down because if it's right side up, it'll look like a bunch.
And you kind of just put it right up under
The hat.
the hat cuff.
Tough.
Yeah.
I keep calling it tough.
Tough. The hat tough. Here, I'm going to sit that over
Okay,
there. And then next is the moustache.
The mustachio.
The moustache. And I kind of put my moustache
I kind of want to see what you look like with a mustache.
over the face a little bit just to give it a little.
I need the boot cuffs.
And then the nose. Did I have my black piece? Did I get a black piece or no?
Oh, I might have.
Did you take it? You took my black piece?
I didn't see these ones over here. I see ones over here.
And then you just put the nose right there in the middle. There you go. And then my butt. These are really hard to see the eyes. So you have to.
They're tiny too.
They are so tiny and it's all black.
These are right here. They're right there.
And you just stick the eyes on how you think the eye, where do you think the eye should go.
And then I need my belt buckle, and then I'm done with this Santa Claus.
And there's the
And then I want
eyes.
to put on my thing, my little string.
So I have the mustache. Okay, now the gloves.
Oh, that's why that's there. So I'm not gonna put on my belt first. I'm
What?
gonna put on this.
Oh, maybe I should have did that first because mine was
That's
a
why
little
that
off.
hump is there.
So, and then the gloves, you just put that where the little finger piece is,
I've never seen
and
Santa
then
with
the
green
round
gloves.
piece.
I've never seen a Santa with green gloves.
It's not quite evenly on there. There you go.
There.
Good idea, Lee, because I didn't do. Oh yeah, absolutely. Because I didn't put.
This goes a little bit above.
Yeah, and then the glove cuff, it just goes right there.
How does it look? Yeah. And I did the belt buckle.
Yeah, but I did mine, so I'm gonna do mine like yours with the snowsuit,
The snow. The
whatever. Yeah, the snowsuit
cat. The
cuff, snowsuit cuff, or whatever they call it.
jacket cuff.
I think they call
Suit
it suit
trim.
cuff, suit
Suit
trim.
trim.
Okay. Okay, so while we're talking about the suit trim, it's time for my suit trim. And just like Aliyah pointed out, because I had put my belt first on my other one, but see right there where the little spot is? That's the perfect place for
Look, my belt buckle is crooked.
the suit cuff.
Suit
All I
trim.
want to do is go.
Suit trim. Suit trim.
Suit trim. There we go. And then I hope I don't get it. Yeah, thank you. Put it on pause. Because I don't know.
I'll turn it down.
And then you just put the belt a little bit above the trim. And then the buckle has a little spot in the middle that you need to take out. And then take the paper off.
I think my Santa done. Oh, right, this was my black piece. I just forgot about it.
You put it
So
right
I
on
can
in
have
the
these
middle.
eyes. Oh, wait. I mean, you're done. Am I done?
Because you're going to need that
Am I
for the
done?
last one here.
Am I done?
You look like it. Looks like that one is done. So Leah finished hers.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
And then the boots.
What? That's what he says.
He does.
I don't understand why Santa has red nose. Like, I got cold in the North Pole. Come on. Oh, wait. I said I wanted to put it in my string, so I'll get some scissors. Here.
Put on the other boot. And then the boot cuff on there. Are you gonna get the scissors?
Yeah, I got them. Hold on.
And then the other boot cuff, and there you have it, your Santa ornament.
Santa.
So we're gonna undo these.
How much do we need?
I don't know. First, you don't want to cut it first. You want to string, because you probably won't have to cut it. You won't have to cut it.
Oh, yeah.
You just string it through.
It's already pre-cut.
Yep. Just make sure that you get it, because it, see how it's all frizzy at the end and stuff. So just make sure.
Got it. I want to make sure mine are even, and then I want a double knot on them. Well, not typically like, not really double knot.
I know what you're talking about.
I hope this is gonna work.
And there you have it, your Santa ornament. So we'll go ahead and hang ours on the tree. We'll finish the rest of them. These were probably gotten at the dollar store. So if you find Christmas ornaments at the dollar store, it was a pack of 5 of them. They're very easy, very economical. I got mine for free, so we'll have a couple of ornaments on the tree on our tree. But my friend was like, we lucked up. Like, the universe is amazing. We got a tree from the Goodwill for $15. It was pre-lit
And it sings.
and it plays music. So she was like, what are you guys going to use for ornaments? And I'm like, look, we got a tree this year. It feels really good coming from the space that we were coming from, rebuilding our lives, and just to have a tree of our own this year. So it feels good to put some decorations up. And if you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments that you want to leave. Thank you all for watching. Have a great Christmas. Bye-bye.